I went on an adventure up to an old fire lookout. Here's how it went.
Well, that's tire 2 for fuck's sakes. Well, let's see if that fucking plug works. Now to see. I don't know how much further up it is, but there's supposed to be a lookout up here. If it's not right around that corner, I ain't going to it. I'm just going back down. Fuck this. It did not hold. And this fucking road just keeps going. I don't know where it fucking stops. It's supposed to stop somewhere. It ain't here though. Well, let's see if a second plug in there works. That's the first one and the second one together. I doubt it, but I don't want to split a bead. Oh fuck, that's promising so far. That might get me into Clinton or Cache Creek or down the mountain. Down the mountain's all I want. I just want down the mountain. I don't care if that's as far as I get. I just want down the mountain. Got to take the positives with the negatives. That is so pretty. That's fine for a little bit longer yet, yeah. So that tire's leak is so slow. I made it from the top of the mountain back to this wreck site, which was 8 kilometers. That's actually not very far. That tire, after I plugged it, half a kilometer. Then I'd have to stop and air it up again. This one went 8, and it wasn't even flat. I'm just airing it up for the rest of the drive back down.